In today's video, we will be showing you how to fix all the dash lights. So what happens is when someone sits in the middle seat, let me see if I can give you an example. What I'm gonna do is press on this part of the back seat here. There. Did you see that? Parking brake, TPMS. So what we're going to be doing is removing the seat and seeing what's actually in there that's causing the fault. You can get it to clear away if you're in an emergency situation. All you got to do is park up in a safe place, turn the car off, switch it back on, and that has cleared all the faults. So to remove the back seats, what you firstly want to do is remove the ISOFIX. They just clip out like that. Remove all four. So if it's stuck in the position, you just bend it down like that and then pull. So you pull it forwards and then just follow it. There's like a little pattern in the side what you got to follow, like a little maze, and then it'll pop out. Right, so to take the back seat out, it is a bit tricky. So all you have to do is, if you grab the front of the seat, push it back and it'll come out the clip, and then it should pop up because it is inserted in there very tight. So you do have to fight with it a bit. There you go. You've got one clip on each side, then it should just pull out. Okay, we found some money in here and some peanuts. All right, so there's a box here. I don't know what that box is for, but it's not that box because whenever you lean, it's here. So there's something under here. Ah, here you are. Here you are. This is the controller box that's... and well, first things first, I don't know if you can spot it. There's no bolts on it. Found the problem here. Let's find a solution. We found some scrap metal and reshaped these cheap Audi brackets so this can hold this bar across the top. We've got to install it so you get a better idea. So as you can see, we've used the existing bolt holes, put this bracket on, drilled a hole in the top as well, made that hole bigger. Same on the other side. And now all we need to do is bolt this plate onto there. So hopefully if someone does sit on it, because this metal is quite thick, it doesn't bend, it shouldn't let the box push down. Okay, and that's the end of that. We've put the bracket on. What we have done is we've put another bolt on with a nut underneath, just so if anyone heavy does sit on it, it won't bend over and it won't press the plug. As you can see, that's stopping it. We're going to get the hoover this up, put it all back on, and let's give it a test to see if the lights come on. What our worry was when we put the seat back in, will it clip in nicely without the added metal bracket we put on that sticks up. Right, okay. Okay, go on. So just there, just that bit there where your hand is, sit on that bit. That's just my brake pads that are low. Sit in the middle. Fine. Perfect. It's not even got no bounce now. And there you have it. That's the solution to fix all the lights that come on your dash. And it narrowed down to that box that was under there. Because every time somebody sat on that box, that's when the lights come on. So now that is out the equation. So if you did find this video useful, subscribe so you can see more of our videos, more of our content. If you did experience something like this, drop a comment below where it happened and what happened. How did you get yourself out of the scenario? Did you try fixing this yourself, or have you given your car to an electrician before? Because previously people have changed the ABS sensors, the ABS pump, the steering wheel speed sensors, and they have not managed to fix the issue. But we have managed to fix it. So hopefully this video can help all you guys, all you A6 people that are struggling with this sort of problem. And yeah, I thought I'll share the video so you can also fix the problem without taking it to an electrician and cost you thousands and thousands for them to diagnose the problem, and they still can't fix the problem, because that's what was happening to other people. So we thought we'd put a video out here so you guys can follow along and fix the problem yourself easily and cheap enough.